Okay, honey, this is how I go to feed your birds. Ready? This is the trip I make every single weekend with the birds.
Keep going and don't mess up my nice shoveled sidewalk.
Oh, yeah!
Where'd she go? All I can see are feet.
This is what I do for you, honey, to get your birds. I'm almost to the feeder. I'm almost there.
Oh, you poor dear.
You remember our grill?
Yes.
This is our grill where we cook. We were cooking there last night. Remember the fireplace?
There was a chimney.
The chimney, we were getting warm, doing marshmallows. Now I take my trip over to the feeders, which you will notice are full because I fill them every weekend for you. Here are your trees.
Woohoo!
I straighten the tips. That's it. Bye, honey.